Hello, I'm going to show you how to make the sweet potato snowball. I use 1 pound of the sweet potato. I slice it, peel the skin, and steam that for about 30 minutes, and then you mash it like that. And I have 7 ounces of glutinous rice. The package looks like that. And I have 5 ounces of red bean paste, and that is from the can. You can get it at Chinese grocery store anywhere. They have it. And I have about 6 ounces of crushed coconut. Okay, then I put the glutinous rice in the sweet potato, but you need to steam that for 30 minutes first, okay? Put it right here. And you mix with the sweet potato. And put some more in it. Okay, I put all of them in there now. That looks good, but if you feel sometime that you feel still like really sticky, and that's okay. You put more the glutinous rice in it. So now this is look good. Okay, I'm gonna put it in a table like that. I'm gonna grab a little piece like that and make it nice and round. Then I try to make a little hole in the center. Then I'm going to put that red bean paste in it. Then I'm going to close it up like this. If you think this is too dry, so I could just put a little bit water in it and make it moist. Okay, that looks good. Okay, this is one. I'm going to make another one. I put a little bit more in it. Okay, then I close it up. I feel a little bit too dry, so I put a drop of water in it. Okay, I have some boiling water right here. Then I put oil in it. Okay, you're gonna cook that for about 10 minutes. Okay, or wait until the snowball foam up on the top. That means they are ready. So I let it cook about 10 minutes. Okay, this is already 10 minutes. See, you look, they are falling on the top right now. That means they all ready. See, they're all ready to go. Okay, I'm going to remove it. I'm going to turn off the heat. Turn off the heat first. Okay, I'm going to put it in the coconut in it. Kind of hot, so I'm going to use the spoon. It's 2. Okay, there's another one. Okay, I'm going to put it on top of it right here. Okay, that's how I make today we are called a sweet potato snowball.